Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, in the previous video, as you can see, we explored all the blocks which is inside the motion, right? Now, today we are going to learn about all the looks block. Okay, so for that, I will delete this. I will show you. Suppose we have this girl, okay? Now, the first thing we have, say hello for 2 seconds. What will happen? You will get hello for 2 seconds, only just for 2 seconds. If you want to increase the time, even you can increase the time, or else if you want to decrease the time, even you can decrease that. So, this is the hello. Instead of hello, we can write any other statements also. Okay. After that, we have say hello. What is the difference between say hello and say hello for 2 seconds? What will happen when I will click on the flag? Until and unless if you will stop this project, then only the hello will remove. Otherwise, throughout the project, you will get the hello. And say hello for second means after some second, this will disappear. Okay. So this is our say hello and say hello for 2 second difference. After that, we have think. Okay. Now see, you will get a think, and here you will get the difference of this expression. As you can see, this is the message expression, and this one is like a someone is thinking. And same thing difference we have this. Like if you want anything to be think like throughout the project, so for that we can take this one. After that, what is this costume? Suppose for this sprite we have a lots of costume. You want to change the costume. So you will get this. See, you will get this costume. Okay. Now, next costume means after this costume, whatever you have a next costume, you will get this. Okay. So this is our next costume. After that, we have a switch, a backdrop. Suppose I have only one backdrop, but I want to add one more here. Okay. Now see what you will get. Once we will click on the flag, you will get your baseball. So in this way, we can switch the backdrop also. Now, next backdrop means how much backdrop we have here. You will get a next backdrop. See, again, if you will run this, you will get your next one. Okay. Then what we have a next, even we can change the size of any like any sprite also. See, you will get little bit small size now. After that, even we can take the size like a suppose this is your 100%. If you want, you can add a 50% also. So what will happen? You will get a small size here. So this is like a you can add a size. So by using your looks block, we can change anything about a sprite look and backdrop look. Even we can change this color effect also. Like I will take all these block here. See this what you will get now. You will get a little bit color effect here. So instead of color, we have a fish eye also. See, instead of this, even we can add this one also. So you will get a little bit the different size. We can add a pixel later also. See, so this is like your pixel. We have a mosaic also. Like you will get a lots of ballerina. We have a brightness also. Okay, and we have a ghost also. So this effect. Okay, so like in the change you will get all the changes. If you will select a color, you will get a color also. Now even we can set this color. If you will take the set color, you will get this. So this is the zero effect. Suppose if I want 50, so you will get the color. So instead of color, same thing we have fish eye. Even we can add a fish eye. Means whatever we have here, same thing you will get here. But here we are changing and here we are setting that. Even whatever graphic we apply it, if you want, you can clear that graphic. See? So you will get your original sprite. Even we can show any block or else we can hide any block. Suppose you will not get that because we hide that. If you will take a show, you will get your ballerina. Now we have a two thing which is go to the front layer, means in the backdrop you will, in the background you will get your backdrop. Front layer means you will come to the front layer. See, if I will select a back layer, so you will get this ballerina back to your backdrop. Okay, even we can go to the forward layer also. So this all are, we can say, looks about your stage also. Okay, so this is all about your looks. So in the looks, mostly we can say something, we can think anything, we can switch the costume, we can switch the backdrops also, we can change the size, we can apply any color. So all these things we can do with the help of your looks block. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you soon.